time, you will put more water into your body than any other kind of food or drink. So paying attention to the water you drink is at least as important, if not more so, than inspecting the food that you eat. Tap water contains nutrients that are essential to the upkeep of your body. Some of these nutrients include calcium and iron. Calcium is necessary for good teeth, strong bones, and for the proper function of nerves, muscles, kidneys, and the heart. Iron builds red blood cells, muscle proteins, and healthy bones. Most importantly, it helps your blood cells carry the oxygen it needs for energy. Although there are many benefits from drinking water from the faucet, studies have shown that it is not a perfect solution. The Safe Drinking Water Act required the EPA to set maximums for contaminants in city water and to periodically monitor these standards. As part of the law, the EPA must continually update its monitoring to include more contaminants. Even though United States water is known as the safest in the world, there are still concerns about contaminants in the public water supply. Here are some reasons. Here are the specific contaminants to be concerned about. While chlorine, a chemical also found in household bleach, is a disinfectant that kills germs, it may also pose health hazards. Chlorine reacts with the leftover organic waste products in water to form a possible carcinogen, trihalomethane, which may increase the risk of bladder and rectal cancers. Chlorine vapors can be inhaled through shower steam and even absorbed through the skin during showering with chlorinated water. There is also the possibility that chlorine used to kill germs in water might upset the balance between harmful and useful bacteria in the human intestines, perhaps even killing the weaker bacteria and allowing the stronger and sometimes more harmful ones to multiply unchecked. While chlorination of the water supply has eliminated public health problems such as waterborne outbreaks of cholera and hepatitis, the question about the overall safety of chlorination is still unanswered. Pesticides seep into the water from old pipes and plumbing solder. Lead plumbing materials were not banned until 1986, yet about 1 out of 8 homes still have pipes held together with lead solder to this day. Another concern is the spillage of radioactivity material into ground and surface water. This problem is of particular concern if you live near old radioactive dumping sites or downstream from them. Theoretically, these potential toxins are monitored by the EPA testing. Distilled water contains no solids, minerals, or trace elements and has no taste. Distillation removes the debris, bacteria, and other contaminants. As good quality steam distilled water enters the body, it has the ability to pick up mineral deposits accumulated in cells, joints, artery walls, or wherever such deposits occur and begin to carry them out. Gallstones and kidney stones then decrease, and it also lessens arthritic pain as joints become more supple and movable. Some have been led to believe that because distilled water is so pure, it will leach healthy minerals and trace elements from the body. However, this is physiologically impossible. In our bodies, distilled water cleans out our impurities and replenishes the essential nutrition required for human life. Pure, clean, healthy water. Our cells use the organic minerals for body growth and maintenance. However, the impurities that the body cannot make us are flushed out with distilled water. Distilled water flushes out all the inorganic minerals and pollutants which would otherwise be retained in the body and accumulate in vital organs such as the liver, kidneys, and intestines. These minerals and pollutants are gradually increased by drinking impure water. In conclusion, when weighing the pros and cons of both distilled and tap water, one could deduce that distilled water, with its solely pure qualities, is the overall best choice for a healthier you.